did you practice? Did you practice MS Word?
Yes, ma.
Any issue? Any problem? Any query?
There's a lot I would ask. Let me just tell the others to attend the class.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
Yes, ma.
no student
So,
has joined. Mm-hmm.
so
Till the other students
before.
are joining, you may ask.
So before I go to my Excel issues, I would kindly remind you we asked if you can help us with the coordinator's information for us to know when the exams will start, how we are supposed to attend the exams, the rules in the exams, all those.
See, we are not exam coordinators. The coordinators are different. I requested you on your behalf that you have some queries. They didn't share any number yet. Whenever they will share, I will share with you.
All right, ma. Thank you.
Okay? Because these queries can be solved by only coordinator, not the teachers.
All right, ma.
Okay. So, do you have any
Okay.
query in MS Word in the last lecture we discussed?
On the last class, I think I'm okay, as I'm learning on how to work with the Microsoft Word. So
Microsoft.
I'm trying to learn, and I've been writing some letters to see how far I can go.
Mm-hmm.
So like I was going through the Microsoft Excel, and I've managed to learn something about the adding of the sum, but I'm having struggles like how to calculate with the average, the difference. Those are the problems I've been having, but certain things I've learned. So on how to save, how to change the color, how to drag the information, like how to know which row or column I'm in, which row or column I'm calculating in. Yes.
See, today I will try to solve all the queries of Excel. In
Okay.
MS Word, hope you practice well the mail merged, how to write a letter, how to format a letter, and more you
Yes, ma.
practice, more you will learn. Okay,
Okay.
Microsoft
Yes.
Word, Microsoft Excel. It is like practicing software. Hi everyone, turn on the cameras. Let others join. Okay. Okay, so today our syllabus is MS Excel. Hope everybody is aware about MS Excel, right? Unless or until you will not turn on the cameras, I will not able to understand. And if we discuss and if we do the sessions interactively, it will be more effective.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Ready, everyone? Hi, everyone. Abdul Rahman, please turn on your camera so that we can start. Okay. Now you tell me the same voice. I think it is repeating. Can you hear me properly? Is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay. Who will tell me about MS Excel? Have you ever worked in MS Excel? Yes or no? Yes or
Sorry,
no?
getting background noise. Celeste, you can listen off your mic. We're getting background noise, so I'm not able to get you clearly.
Your voice is echoing. I'm not able to understand. Okay, let me start sharing the screen first. Okay. Can you watch my screen? Is it visible? My screen is visible, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, your
ma'am,
screen
it
is
It's
visible.
is.
visible.
Okay. Okay, let's start with MS Excel. First, I want to tell you what is MS Excel basically. MS Excel basically is a spreadsheet software. Why it is called spreadsheet software? Because we can make sheets in that. Like we make sheet in our school, in our offices, at our office, in our workplace, we make many sheets. And everywhere, either we create a document or later, or we make the sheet. Even we can create the sheet in MS Word also. But what is the difference between a sheet in MS Word and in MS Excel? We can apply the formulas, we can do the calculations in MS Excel. So MS Excel basically, you can say, a complete spreadsheet software. Let's start it. How to start it? You have to write MS Excel, or you have to click on the start. MS Excel. This. See, when we open MS Excel, this window will be opened. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma.
Okay. So, see, there is many option. Like if you want to open the blank workbook, the other workbook, there are many, you can say templates. But I am going to show you blank workbook. See, this is blank workbook. You can see on title bar, menu bar, status bar, you can see it is same like MS Word. But the document window is not there. We have Excel sheet here like this in the form of rows and columns. Now the question is, how many rows and how many columns? If I press end key with downstairs key, see, this is a number of rows in a sheet 1048576. And how many columns? This is the column XFT. Then first A to Z, then AA, AB, AC, then AC, then BA, like this only, it is XFT. Okay, so I think it is sufficient row and column for a sheet. Then how to write in MS Excel? See, everything you will be write in the form of row and column. It is called rows and it is called columns. Okay, like suppose I am a school teacher and I have to maintain the record of the students. So what will be my records? Like it will be like roll number, name, address or city. It is maybe phone number, right? Then subject. Every time you have to move your pointer to the specific row and column, then only you can write it. Like this only. Suppose I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you notice one thing? I'm writing the name. Suppose it is ABC, XYZ, MNB, KLO, any random name I'm giving. Can you notice one thing? If I'm writing the numbers, it is displaying on the right side, but alphabets it is showing on the left hand side. Can we change it? Yes, we can change it. This is the main difference. It is the numeric data, it is our alphabetic data. Suppose now there are many number of students and I want to write in the sequence. What is the fastest way to copy and paste? Like this. Can you see? It will copy and it will change. In MS Word, there is no as such facility. I want to copy them all. Okay. Till now, is there any issue? How to make the worksheet? Everyone?
No, ma. There's
Okay.
no issue to my
Okay.
side.
So this way you can make any sheet. Okay. You can see copying the text and pasting the text is so easy in the MS Excel rather than in MS Word. That's why we are using this one. But why we call it workbook? Because in a simple file we can make many sheets. It is called worksheet. Workbook is different, worksheet is different. If you go to your book, it is completely written there. What is the difference between the workbook and a worksheet? Workbook means you can, it's like a file only. A workbook can have many worksheets. Worksheet is a spreadsheet. It consists of row and column. What is a cell? There will be definition. Cell is a combination of row and column. Okay, whatever you will be write, you will be write in the cell only, and all the numeric data will display on the right side of the cell, and all the alphabetic data will display on the left side of the cell. Sometime we have to change it. There is an option we can change it also. Okay, so if there are many autocorrect also. I think till now you can know how to make the worksheet. Do you know how to change the height of the row and width of the column? Any one of you? How to change the row and column, row height and the width of the column?
No, ma.
No. Okay, let me share it. See, very simple. You have to take your pointer and the width. You can change the width. And row, you can change the height of the row. Very simple. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah, very simple it is. In this way, you can change. Sometime what happened? Let me delete it all. How to means add a new sheet in your file. There is a plus button. Just click on this and sheet 2 will be added. How to change the name of that file? Click on the right. It will ask for the rename. You can rename it. Like this is for class 10. This is for class 9. Okay, so in this way you can change the name of your sheet. How to save the file? You know very well. File, save. When we save it, it will ask you for the location. When we put the location, it will ask for the name and the extension will be added XLSX. In MS Word, it was DOCX docs, and here it is SXLSX. Okay. How to open any file the same way? We did it in MS Word. File, then open. In my laptop, there is no workbook, no worksheet available. Okay? Otherwise, it will ask for. Now, again, you can format the cells. Like I have written name. Uh, First, I write roll number. Suppose because we are making. Okay, I am making for the employees. Employee code. Can you see when I write employee code, it is showing. But if I write on B column, I'm writing employee name, then it is not showing because the width is not appropriate to show. Then you have to change the width. Okay. Suppose basic salary. Now I am going to the calculation part. So please be attentive. Suppose it is PF. It is DA, it is total salary. Okay, okay. Employee code is, my employee code is E001, E002. Now I can copy it. Can you see automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Suppose if my employee code is 1001, then 1003, for example. How to edit? Double click. 3. Means there is a difference of 2. It will copy accordingly. Can you see? Because 1, 3 I typed, automatically there was a difference of 2. Automatically it copied with a difference of 2. Suppose the basic salary is 5,000, 4,000, 6,500, 7,000, 7,800. Okay. Now PF, for example, it is 10% of basic salary, for example. See, if I click double click, automatically the height will be adjusted. Sorry, width will be adjusted. Okay, 10%. So how to apply the formula? Does anyone know? Yes or no? Please speak. Anyone knows how to apply the formula in MS Excel? See, if you will not speak, means I will not be able to understand. Do you know or yes or no? Because I cannot see you.
Not really sure.
Okay. Only you are the one who is replying. Okay. How to apply the formula? If you have a notebook beside you, you can write it. How to apply the formula? You have to write equal to sign first. Equal to sign first to apply the formula. Now, PF is 10% of basic salary. Where is the basic salary here? I click on this. It will automatically take the cell address. What is cell address? Column and row. Like our basic salary is on C column and second row, it automatically changed. Okay, 10%. 10% how to multiply by 10? You have to give the formula because it doesn't know how to calculate the formula. Divide by 100. Okay, I write equal to basic salary multiply by 10 divide by 1000. There are two ways. See, if I don't want to give the
Excuse
address,
me. Yes.
yeah, yes, yes, yes. Please ask if you have any query. Please ask if you have any query.
My question here is that in the percentage place, I see something. You write 5 is equal to. I see is equal to 5, and then how I will get it? Or how can we get it?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to teach you. Means there are two ways. Either, okay, let me share it again. Okay, then you can ask whatever I want to
Thank you.
Please unmute yourself.
Yes.
See, equal to first. PF is 10% of basic salary. Okay. So basic salary is 5,000. I write 5,000
Yes.
multiply by
Here
10
is what I'm
divide
not
by.
understanding. Multiply by 10. Divide by.
Is it clear to you? Please text if you have any query so that I can understand you because your voice is echoing. Shall we proceed with the formula?
Yes, ma.
Okay, Abdul, shall we proceed? Abdul, can you hear me?
Yes, I do hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Can we
Hello?
proceed?
I need more explanation about that issue that I have.
Okay, okay. Let me give you.
Please back and see the table.
See. I want to make a worksheet. Like, please mute yourself first, okay? So that I can.
You say what I mean here is that you say basic salary is 5,000. No, be so. And
See, can
then
you
you
see my
say
worksheet?
5,000. Yes.
Okay. Okay. See, I want to make a worksheet of the employee. Okay, I have employee code, I have employee names, I have
Yes.
basic salary.
Yes.
Then employer
Yes.
told me that PF is 10% of basic salary of each employee. DA is, for example, DA is 5% of basic salary. Please mute yourself. And HRV is, for example, 13% of basic salary. Employer told me this. This is, suppose I have to make a worksheet, okay? Like this only. So, first is I take a calculator. From the basic salary, I calculate 10%
Yes.
PF. Can you mute yourself? Because there is very much noise. Too much noise. Can you mute? Please mute yourself. So I have two ways.
Now solve this percentage and see how you solve it. Solve this percentage and see the method.
Your background noise is too much. I cannot understand. Please text.
Okay.
For formula, are we not supposed to write, for example? Yes. No, no. I see. I have. It is constant. 10% is constant. If you have some other if you have variation in the formula, right, then we have to write it. Otherwise, if it is constant, we can use a constant as well. Okay, if you want like this only, okay. I have a constant number, that 10%. Okay, that's why I am writing 10. If it is variable, then we have to make another column for that. So I write equal to. First thing is I have to write 5,000 multiply by 10 divide by 2. This is first way. Second way is write equal to, take the cell address, multiply by 10 divide by 100. Okay. Turn on the cameras, please. Turn on the cameras, everyone. So did you understand how to write a formula? There are two ways. First, you can write with the cell address. Second, you can write with the constant numbers. And what is the benefit of writing the cell address? If we edit any content in that cell, it will automatically change. Like, what is the benefit? See, if we make any change in this, like I make it 4,500, automatically calculation will be changed. Can you see? If I write constant, like equal to 5,000 multiply by 10 divide by 100. If I change it, it will not change. Because in formula, I use a constant number. If I use a cell address, then if there will be any change in the content of the cell, it will automatically change like this. And it is very easy to copy it. See? Now, how to calculate the total salary? Suppose my formula is sum of all this plus this plus this plus this. Abdul, now you can see I because it is not constant, the PF, DA, and HRA of each employee. That's why I use a salary dress.
Yes.
See,
Excuse me, ma.
yeah. Wait.
Before you proceed,
Hmm?
uh, I did the research about the sum. So, like, what's the difference with how you were summing it up and
Yes,
the one which you do equal
yes.
sign, then
Next
you
one.
write the word sum?
Yes. Next, my learning is to you is this only. See, now I have only four cell address 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very easy to write C2 plus G2 plus E2. If I have a number of cells and I have to sum up, if I have a range, then I use the formula sum. Suppose here I want to sum up the total salary. I will write equal to sum. SUM sum bracket range from this to this and bracket close. Got it?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay. If you have a range, like I have a range, okay, I cannot, add this. So if you have a range, you can use the formula. It is called formula. There are many formulas like sum, minimum, max, right? Or trigonometry formulas. Every formula is there. Okay, we use in maths and in calculation, and we can use that. Otherwise we can do in this way if we have to sum up only two cells or three cells or four cells, which is easy to write. Okay, now I want to make it very attractive sheet, like I make my document very readable, very aligned, very formatted. See, same, you can see bold, italic. Okay, colors, if you want to add colors, different color to different. Okay, black is not visible. Okay, so if you have other color also, suppose this you want to fill it with color like this, you want to highlight something. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, now the main function we have wrap text and merge cell, very important, very new. Okay, I don't know it is in your syllabus or not, but it is very important to learn wrapped text. Suppose I write some text. Let me copy it from my Word file. I copy a text and I write it here. Oh my god, what happened? See, it is too much, and you can, if I want to write here something, it will not visible. And you know how much height I have to increase. So, wrap text will work now. Can you see? It has adjusted it according to the selection. Like if we select like this only, wrap text. Okay, understand? If you have selected three columns and wrap text, it will adjust it like this. So it will adjust all the text in the row, in that row height. And what is merge and center? Suppose I want to write, see, what is, I want to insert one row on this. Right click, insert row. Automatically it will add the row. I write ABC company private limited. Now I want to Make it in center. If I put it in center like this, it will the center in that cell. But if I select the complete range, then merge and center. It will merge all the cell and it will put the text in the center. Merge cells, it will merge the cell like I and J I want to merge. Merge. See? If you want to merge this, merge. Clear? Okay, let's go for the another topic. Uh, I deleted the sum. See, there is one more formula, auto sum. Automatically it will take a range. You don't have to write it. Fill. Fill is like that only. I filled it, the code. This is autofill. Okay. Suppose I want to write a date. I write it date. Today's 10/10/23. Okay. So I want to autofill. This is the function of fill. Why it is showing hash hashes? Because width is not appropriate. Clear? To clear all, to clear this, whatever. If you want to clear this,
Excuse me.
wait. Okay, I want to teach you sort and filter and find and select. Let me.
Excuse me.
Yeah, stop the.
Why?
Yes. Turn on the videos and ask one by one.
Ma?
Yes. What do you want to ask? I'm not able to understand.
Back, please. For the back, please back to the table. I don't understand up to now.
You do.
You put a salary 4,500, and in the next line
Okay.
I see 450, and the next line I see 225. I don't know
Yeah, because
how I will
I
get
calculated
it.
10%. I calculated 10% of
How
basic
you
salary.
calculate it?
I give a formula equal to basic salary multiply by 10 because 10 was a constant number with me and divide by 100 because it is 10%. Or you can do the formula equal to basic salary, the cell address, or multiply by 0.10. It is simple. Did you understand? Any question from anyone? Abdul, turn on the
Yes, ma.
camera. Turn on the camera.
Yes, ma. You
Turn on
say
the
10%, va?
Yeah, 10%.
Okay. That 5,000
5,000.
divided by 100. Now so divide by 100
If
times.
I give you the calculation, how do you will calculate the 10% of 5,000? If you have to calculate 10% of 5,000, how will you calculate?
Okay, 5,000. So I can put 5,000. 10 divided by 5,000. Divide by 100 times 5,000. That is how come
Yes. Can you text the formula? How will you calculate 10% of 5,000?
Yes, 5,000 I can put
10 divided by 100 times
Can you text it
5,000.
formula? Can you text message me the formula? If you will have to calculate 10% of
Yes, ma, I calculate. I understood. I understood. Continue. I calculate and see the
then
amount.
what will be the formula?
Yes.
Everyone write it. Everyone please write it. If you have to calculate 10% of 5,000, what will be the formula? Obviously, the formula will be 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. This is the formula. Or you can say 5,000 multiplied by 0.10. Yes, yes, Alita is right. So that's what I write. Now, it was a question. If the formula is not constant, kindly explain again the formula input. See, in my Excel sheet, in my Excel sheet,
Ma, for I
wait,
understood. I understood. If
basic
someone are
salary
not
is
understood.
different. Basic salary is different for each employee. So I input cell address, but 10 was constant. So I put the formula equal to C2, the cell address, multiply by 10 divided by 100. Is it clear now? Is it clear? If it is still not clear, you can do one thing. You open the MS Excel sheet and make a sheet like I made it and check. It will take hardly 5 minutes. You can make a sheet and you can use formula. Kamanga, is it clear to you now? Mr. Kamanga, is it clear to you now? See, if you will not speak, you will not turn on the videos, how
Yes, ma, I
I will
understood.
understand? So, are you able to understand the topics, wrap text, merge and center, the formula, the auto sum, autofill, how to increase the height of the row, how to increase the width of the column, okay, how to format the cell, how to change the color, okay. Any question or shall we proceed? See, unless or until you will not
We
give
can
me,
proceed, ma.
yeah,
We can proceed.
again.
We can proceed.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. Okay. See, very interesting topic we are going to discuss. It's really interesting. Like we did mail merge in MS Word. It was very interesting topic and it was very unique concept of MS Word. Now we are going to learn a new topic. This is our sheet. I named it EMP. Okay. Now I want to arrange the total salary according to the numbers in ascending order. Okay. So what I have to do? First, I have to select it. Very simple. I have to select it. Sort and filter. Sort means to organize your data, and filter is different topic. First, we will learn about the sorting. Sort means organize your data. How to organize? How do you want to organize your data? Ascending order or descending order? I want it ascending order. See, it took employee name and no. I'm going for custom sort because I need to sort according to the total salary. It is asking from which column you want to sort by. Employee code, employee name, basic salary, PF, DA, HRA or total. If you want it employee code, it is already sorted. Name, it will arrange all the data alphabetically ordered. So it is very easy to analyze your data. If you want to sort it according to basic salary, okay, then sort on values, yes. Smallest to largest, yes. Okay. See, it come in ascending order. And what is the benefit? Suppose by chance, mistakenly, I have written is 6,500. It
Excuse ma.
was,
Sai mu a
yeah.
lokacin mu kana ji ko?
Excuse ma, you dey hear
A
me?
lokacin bari ka jin gama dalili.
I understood
A lokacin da
everything here, but only one thing I'm not
duk inda ka je na
understand.
sadaka ne kuma mu kaga sadaka dai kaga
In
ba
the
wai
back
kowa da kowa ke
table,
ba. Na so gani.
please, that table
Auren
that
nan
they
unguwan da
pass.
sadaka ne yanzu ko kaga an bari. Yanzu da sadaka an ba kai dan
There are
dangi
no
ne ba
table
ba ka
too.
rai. Ko dan dangi masu yaki.
Yes, I calculate in the first line. Last, second to the last, calculate and I see 585. But the
Okay.
total salary, I don't know how we get 5,716 naira. I don't know how I should calculate this.
How? Can you text the
Nan
formula
ga
or
yan
can you
gyara
share
ma
your
sadaka ne
screen?
za a ba ka.
Can you share your screen so that I can check it?
Yanzu anan ma ina ne
Yes,
ake da
let
sadaka.
me send now.
Are you sharing? Are you sharing? Okay, let's proceed. Yeah. So if I make any changes, like I make it 5600, I have to arrange it again. It will not done automatically. Every time I have to sort it. Okay. See, basic salary is arranged, the total salary is also arranged, and PF is also arranged, DA is also arranged, HR is also arranged. So this is the benefit of sorting. It means you can organize your data. Why do you want to organize your data? Suppose I am a class teacher. For example, I am making a new sheet. Now see, this is I'm a class teacher. Okay, I'm not putting name. I'm writing subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Okay, Roll number 1, 2, Cal copied. Subject 1, student gets the mark. Out of 100, I am storing the marks of the students out of 100 because every student has some unique mark in subject 1. Like in subject 2, everyone has a different score. Out of 100, I am writing the score. Okay, some students are dull also, they get 4 marks, 3 marks, okay. Some are intelligent also, they get 90 marks, 99 marks. Okay. In subject 3 also, they have marks. Now, I have to, as a school teacher, I have to make a report. Okay. So, first I will calculate the total marks. Now, see, very carefully. Again, I am applying the formula. I write equal to this plus this plus this. This is first way. The second way is I can use the sum, auto sum. Auto sum of what? Auto sum of only subject 1, subject 2, I have to set a range. Okay, this is the second method. Now I am copying it. Okay, average. What is average? What is the average score of the students? Equal to this. How many subjects? 3 subject divided by 3. So this is percentage. Okay. In your report card, percentage is not like this 79.3333. I want to make it a very standard. Okay. Click right. Then you click on format cells. I want only 2 decimal. I fix only 2 decimal or 1 decimal. It is my choice. See?
Ma, please, the average is accurate.
Yeah.
You say 45 in the number 1. 45 plus 34 plus 34 is equal to
Yeah.
113. So I don't know how we get the
Average.
average.
Okay. Again, I am calculating. See?
Yes.
How you can calculate the average? Total. We have total here.
Yes.
Divide by 3.
Okay.
Because there are 3 subjects.
Divide
1,
by
2,
3.
3.
Okay, divide by the number of the subjects.
Number of subject. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So now
I
we format
understood.
it decimal only 1 decimal. So it is showing only 1 decimal. Okay. 37.7, 56.0, 77.0. This is the average. Now I have to calculate result. My God. Pass, fail, A1, I have to define A1 grade, A grade, B grade, C grade. So, means how I calculate? My, obviously, what is my criteria to calculate if school authorities set a standard that A grade will be for the students above 90, B grade for above 70. C grade for above 60. Okay. And D grade for less than 60. Okay. So this is my criteria. It is very difficult. Either I have to do manually. Oh, this is 37. 37 means he will get D grade. 57 it means he will get D grade. So how I can calculate? So we have a formula. Watch it very carefully. Equal to if. Did you hear about if? See, if there are many criteria, it will be very difficult for you to understand. So I am just telling you pass, and fail. Okay, so I will write equal to if average is equal to if bracket average is greater than 60, my student is pass. It should be written pass, otherwise fail. Very simple. Even you can note it down. See, the average is 37, it is fail. If I copy it, simple. Again, do you want to me? Okay, now I'm telling you about the grade. The same criteria equal to if.
Sorry, ma.
Yeah.
Can you explain a bit more about copying? I think I'm
Copy.
not getting it. Yes,
Copy.
if you want to copy it,
Copy.
you
Okay.
have solved the first question, then you want to copy everything to find the
See, I
calculation.
calculate here everything. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
In the result.
Yeah. Result.
So, let me start from average. For example, you say 37.7.
Hmm.
So I know this is fair. But when and then 56 is pass. So when we get 70, what we can call it?
Pardon?
For example, do you understand, ma?
For
You say
example, see, I have
when
only two
when you
criteria,
see the
either
line
pass
all,
or fail. Hmm?
okay, pass or fail.
I,
So from
okay,
50
let me
to
explain
51,
you again, then after that you can ask. I have only two criteria. For
okay,
example, pass or fail.
okay, pass
Okay.
and fail. Yes.
Okay. Pass if
Oh,
average is more than 60.
okay.
Okay.
Is
Fail
pass.
if it
Also,
is below 60. It means a student will be passed if average is more than 60, otherwise fail. Okay?
ma, if I understanding you,
Fail otherwise. Okay? So this is my
if it is more than
yeah?
from 60 to above is pass. From 60 to from
Yeah,
50 to above is
pass.
before 60 is fail. If
Yeah, if it is suppose student is too intelligent, right?
is that
This
so?
56 was this is 87. See? Now the average is 70.4. See, pass.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I put a formula. If, see, you can see here, if this
Yes.
average is greater than 60, there should be a text pass. Otherwise, I
Okay.
separated with comma. Otherwise, it should show me fail. Okay. Now, how to copy it? Just click on it, drag it. See, Alita, can you see it? You have to
Yes,
see.
ma.
See, I drag it. Very simple.
If
Okay?
if it is less than 60 is fail.
Fail.
More from 60 to above is
Yes, yes.
pass.
Because I put a formula.
Okay.
Okay. See, if the students here, I by chance I put 34, but the student score is 74. The average is increased, automatically the result is also changed. See, it is very convenient.
I really understood well.
Okay. Clear? Till here it is clear?
Yes, ma. It's clear. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay, another way to copy is,
Yes, ma.
Elita, if
Yes,
you
ma. Thank
is
you.
not able to drag it, see, another way to copy it, click here, Control C, copy. Then select the range you want to paste. Select the range, then Control V, or you can click on paste. Okay, Alita?
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Now come to the next topic, filter. Very important topic. You have to be concentrate on it. Suppose this is my class result, and one parent has come. Oh, my child is pass or fail. I just want to highlight the pass student. Okay, so it is filter. Filter means you can filter anything. Like I selected it first, I sorted it. I want to sort it on total or average, whatever it is same. See, okay, filter, seed filter. See, you have to select the headings, filter. Can you see, just click on filter, you get a drop down arrow. Can you see? Now I want to just want to show past students. I selected it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma.
Okay. I just want to show only the fail student. Okay. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose I am a shopkeeper. Okay, I have many items, different prices. Items like book, pen, pencil, eraser, okay, book cover, notebook, many items I have.
Yes.
Okay, now I want to insert a column because I want to put the date also. I insert it. Date. Okay. Suppose. Okay. Sold. Book. I sold two today. Pen three, four, five, one. Notebook two. Okay. Then on 8th October, suppose again same items I sold. Suppose 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, for example. Okay. Then on 9th October, I sold same items. See, Alita, now I'm using copy Control C and Control V for copying. Okay. On 7th
Yes, ma.
October, I sold only eraser, 10 erasers. Okay. On 6th October, I sold only pen. How much? 12. Okay. Suppose this is my sheet. Okay. Very simple sheet I make it. So I selected it first. Okay. Then I sort it according to date. Okay. No, it's not okay. Okay. This is okay. Click on the filter. See. Now I just want to see my how many pen I sold. Okay, clear? I just want to check how many notebook I sold. Okay, if I click on select all, it will show all. If I click on only notebook, it will show. Clear? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
okay? So filter means it will give you a drop down option and you can filter anything, means whatever you want to make it visible you can filter it. Okay, now I don't know what is in your syllabus or not exactly, because I'm teaching you more than that. Okay, I want to hide how many I have sold. So just click on right column, right click, and you can see height. See, it is height. You don't want to show to someone who is sitting beside you, then you can hide it. Now how to unhide it? Same method, right click, unhide. It will unhide. Okay. See, now another is format as a table. Very interesting. I want to format it very interestingly. There are many designs. Which design do you want? First, you have to then format table. Which design do you want to? Hmm? Table headers. This is the table headers. Okay. Oh, auto filters. Okay. Auto filters has to be removed. Then it will do. See, I'm taking a blank sheet, and if you want a format table, which table do you want? See, it will design it automatically. Cell style, if you want, you can select it whatever the styles you want. Heading or this one, this color. These are the automatically colors. You can design it. Unless or until you will not do the practice, you will not come about this only. And how to remove the sheet? Right click, like I want to remove it, sheet 4, and you can delete it. Your sheet is deleted. Okay. Many options are same, like page layout. I told you home option, file option. Many options are same. Okay, let's go to the other topic. Meanwhile, we will have a discussion. Clear? Any doubts? Any queries?
No doubt, ma'am.
Because now next topic is making graphs. Our next topic will be making graph. So till now, is there any doubt you can ask? If you want to make the worksheet by yourself, I can wait. You can make it and you can ask question. If you want to apply the formula, yes, Kamanga, average is a mean. I just read your message. Any question from anyone? No?
No
Today,
questions so far.
yeah.
No questions at the moment.
Okay, let's proceed then to the graphs. Very interesting topic. Very unique, feature of MS Excel. I want to make a graph. You know what is graph? Graph is the graphical representation of data. This is your data, right? And you know when we see any information, the most observed is through the graphical representation, through the graph. When we watch cricket, when we see, profit and loss of any company, the most picture is represented by graphs only. Means it's give you a very clear picture. So either you can make the graph manually, but nowadays using the technology means you can make graph very easily in MS Excel. So how to make the graph? Again, you have to click on insert. You can see the graph. If you are a mathematics student, you know there are many types of graph like charts. Okay. See, these are the types of charts. 2D column, 3D column, 2 bar, 3 bar. I think you must be knowing about the pie chart, okay, line chart, many types of chart. If you are a mathematical student, you know about that charts. Okay, let's go for a simple chart. Let's go for the line chart or the column chart, whatever you want. I will go for the column chart. For which you want to make the chart. I want to make the chart of basic salary. Okay. But in chart, there is x axis and y axis. I have only selected one axis. Na, in column chart, there are two axes. One is x and another is y chart. So again, I'm going insert. I want to make a chart. Okay, which chart do you I want? I want to make a column chart. What is my range? My range is employee name and his basic salary. So that I come to know. Oh, it is not taking the headings because it's a long time I have not made the charts. So this is our data. This is data range. Okay, invalid. B3. Okay. Okay, let's make another pie chart.
Ma'am, I don't know if it's my network, but I'm not able to see your screen. My laptop is open, so I'd appreciate you if you would kindly share your screen so that I may try to do what you're doing as well. Thank you.
I am not sharing the screen. Oh my god. My screen is visible now? Yes
Yes,
or
it's
no?
visible. Thank you so much. It's visible
Okay.
now.
Okay. Okay. I'm making a new sheet. Suppose I'm making year profit. Okay. Okay. Now autofill. Okay. Okay. This is my data. I want to present it through a chart. What I will do, I will select it, then insert, then which chart do you want? I told you if you're a mathematics students, you must know about the charts, line chart, pie chart, column chart, okay, pivot chart. So I'm going for the column chart. Okay, this is my range. Okay, it is showing location range. Choose where you want this. Okay, I want to insert my graph here. Again, I'm clicking on column. This is my data range. Okay, this is my location range. Why it is not valid? Oh, I take the headings. See, you can make any changes in this chart. Select data, whatever you want. This is pie chart. Now you can change the colors, you can change the type, you can change the uh, columns as well, whatever you want. If you want to switch, you can switch also. Okay, let's this is the formatting of the chart. Again, I'm deleting it, I'm going to make a new chart. Same method, insert. You can make this chart also like histogram. What is the data? Can you see? So simple. Whatever the data you will select here, it will show you as a chart accordingly. Suppose if you want to make another chart, very simple chart, like this. The blue one is the year, the orange one is the profit. Okay, suppose I just want to make the chart with the profit only, not with the year. I have to just select it, insert, clear. In first year my profit was this, second year this, third year this. If I make a change here, suppose it is 10, by mistake I write 2, automatically it will change. Okay, now how to make changes in this chart title? Okay, if you want to change the title, you can change it like I want to write ABC company. Okay, if you want to write the year here, then you can select this range. Right click and you can change the data. Why it is not showing? It will come only with practice. If you want to change the color of it, here are chart tools. See, change the colors. You can change any color. Okay. If you want to say quick layout, there are quick layout. If you want to select different data, you can select the data also like this only. If you want to change the type, I don't want this, I want this type or this type, whatever. 3D chart. Okay, any chart you can select. Bar chart I want to select, pie chart, line chart.
Sorry, ma.
Yeah.
Can you come again on how to select chart?
Okay, let's come again. I'm deleting it again. Okay, this is my data. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first you have to click on insert. Then which chart do you want to insert? Line chart, column chart, any other chart, pie chart, okay, this static chart, whatever, the data chart, whatever you want. Okay, suppose I want to insert this chart. Then which type? 2D column, 3D column, okay, 3D, but there are different calls, okay. So whatever you want, you can select it. Like I want this only. Okay. Now this is my chart area. Now I want to select data for it. It is asking chart data range. But this is my range because I want to make a profit. Okay. Add. I want to add this also. Okay. Now, this is my chart. It is showing, the blue line is showing, uh, wait, let me chart it again. Series 1, what is series 1? Edit. My preference is always first select a data because it is easy for us. My preference is select a data, then you can insert the chart. It is more easier. See. Okay. Now, whatever change you want to do, whether you want to change the type, right click, you want to change the data, you can select the data, you want to change the type, there are the types. If you want pie chart, this one chart, whatever the chart you want. If you want area chart, stock chart, line chart like this only, you can. Okay. Then if you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. If you want to switch the data, you can. Okay, if you want to move the chart from one place to another place, to new some sheet or somewhere, anywhere. And even you can copy it. I copy it and in MS Word I can paste it. That day you were asking now. See? Now I pasted it with MS Word. So anywhere you can paste it. Okay?
All
What
right, ma. Thank you.
what else you want with the chart? See, if you want this, it is very interesting chart type for me. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size, you can move anywhere. Means it is like an image for you. Okay, I'm stopping it. And now please turn on the camera, everyone. Let me ask some question. Yes, Elita, any question, any query? In the beginning of the session, you have many questions.
No, not really,
Yeah.
but I think I'm still struggling. Like the way you showed us the calculations on the employee name
Mm-hmm.
code, 5%. Yes, how
Mm-hmm.
to calculate the house rent allowance.
See,
So
it is
like,
an example only. Okay, if you have any formula, you can apply the formula in MS Excel. There are many formulas in there. If you want to do any calculation, you don't do it on the calculator and you type it. Okay, you can just calculate. You have operators for multiply. We use star. For divide, we use slash. For plus, we have a plus sign in the keyboard, and for minus, we have a hyphen sign. Okay. So,
okay,
for,
ma.
for arithmetic calculation, we can use our arithmetic operators. Otherwise, there are many functions like sum, told you, if I told you, there are many more I will teach you further. So, basically, MS Excel is for calculation for making the sheets. Okay, and it has many features, means anything related to calculation, anything related to graph, anything related to making sheets in office, you can do in MS Excel. It has many features. Like I told you sort, I told you filter. Once you practice it, you will come to know means how helpful it is. Even if you have to set your house budget, you can you can make a sheet. Okay.
Okay, ma. As I was saying, like the way we were calculating, let's say for example, we have five different workers. Then each of them is getting a different pay salary. but the house rent percentage is the same. So like I've tried to do the calculation of the first worker, I
Mm-hmm.
find the answer, but as I try to like to copy to do the calculations of the other workers, the same amount of
Same
the
amount. Why?
first worker.
Why it is coming
Yes.
the same amount? If you do the calculation manually, okay. First thing, if any figure means the basic figure like the base, it should be not be constant. Like I did, the employee PF is 10%. 10% is constant, okay. But basic salary is different from everyone, so you have to put a cell address in that. Unless or until you will not put the cell address, it will come same, okay. Then how to do copy? I told you, control C and control V. Either drag it or control C, control V.
Yes, copying I'm managing. So like I've tried to draft it myself, and I've put different codes, like
Can
the
you show me your
employees.
screen? Can you show me your screen?
Okay, ma.
Zoom out, zoom in, sorry. I cannot,
Okay.
it is not visible to me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm making you host. You can share the screen.
I can share the screen.
Okay, okay. I have to make you host. I think I'm co-host, so I cannot make you host.
Okay.
Okay, show me your screen. Let me see if it is visible to me. I can see the rows and columns, but okay. This is your A, B, C, and D. No, not visible. You can zoom in the screen. You know how to zoom? Control plus.
Her screen is visible, but the figures are not clear. I think she's trying to zoom in on the camera. Elita, try to zoom in on the laptop, not the phone or the camera.
Otherwise, can you click the picture and share it in the chat box so that I can tell you? If you are using a mobile, you can click a picture and you can send the picture on the chat box. पंद्रह मिनट. Alita, can you?
Yeah, so what I'm saying is that I'm using my mobile phone to attend classes, and then I'm using the laptop to do the calculations. So
That's
how
what
how do
I'm.
I say?
That's what I'm telling you. You click a picture from your phone, the desk. Click the picture of your desktop, and you share in the chat box that picture.
Okay, I should capture. All right.
And if you zoom in the desktop screen, it will be visible to me. Yeah, much better than before.
Okay.
Can you do it a little down? Yes, yes. Okay. Now, what do you want? This is your
Yeah.
basic.
So like what I was saying is that
Okay,
for example,
right
if I
equal to.
try
Okay, okay, I'm telling you, right equal to.
yes.
Then click on the basic salary, 7,000 or what is that? Click on that. Yeah,
Here.
yeah, click here. Okay, now multiply by star sign.
Yes.
Okay, then what is 10% or how much is that?
This is 5%
Okay,
AD.
okay, then write 5,
Okay.
divide slash button slash 100. Okay, then enter.
Yes. Oh.
Okay,
Okay, I think I was just missing it somewhere.
yeah, you were missing somewhere. Okay, now you
Yes.
can delete it. Again write it. It will be more practice.
Okay.
Delete it,
Okay.
yes. Yes. Okay, now again
So
write equal to
equal
yes.
sign.
Yes. Multiply by 5, divide by 100.
Oh,
Okay, now it come, now copy it.
so I can copy it now
Yeah, copy
from
it now.
here
Yeah,
from
make the screen here, little here only, left side. Yeah, click on that. Yes, click on and drag it. On the right side, there will be plus sign. Yeah, plus sign and drag it. Yes, yes, very, very good. Yes. Okay,
Okay.
done?
All right. Thank you.
Okay, great.
I'm clear now, ma. Thank you.
Okay. Any other? Kalechi, you don't have any question today? Kalechi, are you there?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Means you are using MS Excel
Yes,
before
ma'am.
that
I'm here,
also.
ma'am.
Okay. Any other? An- Any other one? Any question? Alita,
Yes,
you just
ma'am.
practice how to make graph also. Everyone, if you are using desktop, please make a practice like Alita did the practice and she got it trouble and now we fix it. So please make a sheet and you can insert a chart. Just do little practice.
All right, ma. Thank you.
Everyone, we are taking 5 minutes break. Okay, I'm here only. You just do the practice and we'll be back in 5 minutes. Everyone, so that whatever the problems you are facing, we can fix it now.
All right, ma.
Okay.
I'm having trouble copying and pasting. Is there anyone who can kindly help or guide on that?
Can you share your screen?
That's the problem. My phone battery is low, so I'm not able to share my screen or turn on my camera.
It's
Oh,
okay. You just
Screen
tell
is
me your
disabled.
problems. I will give you the guidance.
Okay, when you want to do a copy and paste, what you have to do first of all is that you highlight the area which you want to copy. In this regard, in Excel, then that these are the cells. So
Yeah. So what's the
you
problem?
highlight or you select the
Your voice is breaking in between. Can you
Selfish one.
text it your problem, please?
Plus C.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I think Mamba is having troubles with copying and pasting. So, like, he needs help, but he's saying he can't turn on his camera because the battery is low. So, he needs some explanations on the copying and pasting.
Oh, copying and pasting. Okay. See, there are many methods. One method is you just click on the cell you want to copy. Then on the right side, it will show you plus sign. You drag it. It will be paste automatically. This is the very easy option. Okay, and very shortcut. Second is you click on the cell you want to copy. Either you press Ctrl C from the keyboard or you select a copy option from the for the mouse on the screen. It will copy to the clipboard. Then wherever you want to paste it, you have to select date range. Either it is one cell, two cell, many cells, etc. You select a range, then either click on the paste or press Ctrl V from the keyboard. It will paste it. Okay.
The trouble I'm having is the numbers are not showing
Yeah,
continuously. Let's say I've got
yes,
one, two,
yes.
three, and then
Why
I
it
want
is
them
not
to
showing
continue.
continuously? That is the autofill option. That is not a copy option. Copy means you are copying one text and you are pasting it to the another cell. Autofill, you have to select at least two cells. Okay, in continuation. Like I wrote one, two, yeah, one, three, or one, five. Okay, then I have to select both the cells, then drag it. Automatically it will autofill the other cells. If I write date, suppose today date I write it, then again next it, then drag it. That is called the autofill. Means it will check what is the difference you want between two cells, then it will copy paste it. There are two different commands. One is copy and paste, another is autofill. If you want like odd numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay, this is the autofill. Okay, or if you copy one and paste it, it will come one 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 one.
All right, so on AutoView, I tried one,
Yeah.
two, three, but it wasn't being continuous. Then copy and paste. I don't know if
Okay,
it's the
okay, okay,
format
okay.
or
You
the
you
version of
select a new
AutoView I'm
sheet.
using.
Okay, you select a new sheet. Okay, I'm guiding you step by step. You select a new sheet, then write one two. Then did you did this
Yes, I've typed in one and two.
one and two? Okay, now select both the cells one and two and drag it. Done.
Yes, done.
Done. Okay. Now you can more practices like write 5 10. It will give you difference of 5 5. If you write 1 3 all the odd numbers, it will give you the all odd numbers. You can practice writing with date autofill option. Even you can write the number of month, number of weeks, like Sunday Monday, then select it and drag it. It will show you Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday. Everyone do it. Practice, write January, February, then autofill it. It will show you March, April, May, June, like that only. Done?
Sorry, is there any specific option for AutoView? Because it's only bringing the first one. I don't know if it's because I made a mistake at first. I copied it. Then when trying to AutoView, it's only bringing the first thing that I've written. If I've typed in one, it's only bringing one. If I've typed in Sunday, it's only bringing Sunday. Is there any option for AutoView?
No, no. Like first you have to write Sunday, Monday. Means it will check. Oh, means you want the number of days of the week. Then it will, autofill it. If you just write Sunday and you will drag it, it will write Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Let me share the screen. I'm showing you.
I don't know the mistake I was making. I've
Yeah,
managed now.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Let me share you. Okay. See, if I write Sunday, okay, and I drag it, it will write Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Oh, this is a new feature. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If actually this is my advanced feature of Excel. Sunday, I write Tuesday means I took a 1 day gap. I slept two and okay. See Sunday, Tuesday, then I skip Monday, it skipped Wednesday automatically, skip Friday like this. See, it is an advanced feature of MS Excel. One feature I want to tell you, it is very interesting. See, roll number is very unique for everyone. Okay, I don't want to make change. Even I don't want anyone can change it. So, can my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, see, in view option, it is an option freeze. So you can freeze it. You want to freeze first column, I freeze it. Okay. Now I cannot make changes in that. Oh, why it is not? Wait, let me select it. Freeze. Keep the first column visible while scrolling. Okay, that is for the screen. You can make it change, but sorry, my mistake. Let me do it again. See, I want to freeze one column or one row like this. I want to freeze it. Freeze top row, suppose. Okay, I have many employees. See, I have many data. Can you see my screen? I am scrolling, but the first row is freeze. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the freeze. It means you can freeze any row, any column according to your requirement. Okay. If you want to unfreeze it, it will be in unfreeze it. Then again view, then freeze pen, then unfreeze. Okay. Now if I scroll my screen, see, can you see the difference? Okay. And split. View, split. It will split your window. You can change in different
You
window.
can change in different ways.
Even you can open the sheets. These are page break preview. Your page, when you will print, it will show like this only. See, this is your view. You can again add header. Did you remember? Header, footer, we did in MS Word. So you can put header, footer, same like MS Word. Normal, it's like this only. Do you want to learn more functions, formulas? See how many functions it has. Statistical, engineering, cube, information, compatibility, text formulas, logical formula, financial formulas, auto sum we used it already, date and time formulas, Trigonometry formulas means anyone from different stream can use the Excel. Whatever the formula is available in mathematics, it is available here. It has calculator also. And if you want to insert any picture, like we do it in MS Word, you can insert any picture. You can change the size. You can, increase the size. You can crop it. Okay. You can rotate it. Remove the background. We don't want. Okay. Again, I told you about the shapes. If you remember, we did in MS Word how to insert the shape, lines, rectangle, basic shape, arrow lines, flow chart, whatever the shape you want, you can insert in that. I'm deleting it. Then screenshot, any screenshot if you want. Okay, online pictures you want, tables like in MS Word we did it. So you can insert any. Home, already you have done all. Protect sheet means your sheet will be protected with a password. There are many other options also like pivot table, okay, what if analysis, group ungroup. I think it is not in your syllabus. Still, I'll check it. If it is there, I'll teach you.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Um, is it all Microsoft Excel that do have all these features,
Yeah.
or
Yes, yes.
one has to? Okay, okay.
Uh, See, I have a online book with you. So it is showing me all this. See, if you have practical knowledge, you can write in exams very well. But for practical knowledge, you have to do a lot of practice. Because if you write in exams with practical examples, you will get obviously good marks. Any other query to anyone? Why everyone is silent?
No questions, ma.
Okay.
No questions, ma.
Okay, I'm checking your syllabus. I think we have gone through everything. Page layout. See, now, okay, let me ask one question from you, from your book only. How to maximize, how to minimize. I know, you know everything. What is cell address? You know it is a combination of row and column. How to delete, how to insert, how to sort, how to filter, how to find and select, how to insert chart, how to delete a worksheet. These are the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
How to insert the formula. I think we have done all. The only thing is that we have not done so many formulas or so many functions because there are so many functions. So we cannot do it in a one day. Okay, the simple we are learning like how to apply it. Like we did sum, every function will be applied like only equal to, then function name, then you have to select a range. Only if function it has a different, so I told you that about that only. Unless or until you will do practice, you will get more queries, and I share you my number also. Whatever the queries you have in MS Word, MS Excel, then next we will go for the presentation, then some theory concept, then means you can,
Excuse me, ma.
yeah.
The number you gave us doesn't show on WhatsApp.
Which number? uh,
I think I wrote it somewhere. I remember
okay,
you
okay,
gave us.
okay, I think you put 0. This is my country code, you have to use that.
Okay, ma, what is the country code, please?
Okay, okay.
This is my country code, Philippines. You have to,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, that's why. Okay, everyone turn on the camera so that I can mark your attendance with your picture. It will go to your center. Mr. Kamanga. Oh, he joined just for attendance? Turn on the camera so that I can mark attendance.
Mamba can't turn on his camera because his battery is
His
low.
battery.
My
Okay.
I'm having problems on the camera. My battery is critically low. I'm really sorry.
Okay. Give a smile. So, okay, bye. Do a lot of
Uh,
practice.
all right, bye, ma. Thank you.
Okay, bye everyone. Take care.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi, ma'am.